In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. First, let's get started by heading over to Slack. You can access Slack through your preferred method, whether that's on a desktop app or directly through a browser. Now you're at the sign-in screen. Here, you'll want to enter your email or choose to sign in using Google or Apple, depending on what suits you best and what you've previously set up. Once logged in, you should find yourself in your workspace. Look for your preferred worksite or workspace on Slack where you want to use the Canvas feature. Now, as you're exploring your workspace, make sure you've chosen whether you're going to continue using the desktop app or if the browser fits your needs better today. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. From that menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Canvases. Once that's open, you'll notice you have a couple of options. If you're looking to start something fresh, go ahead and click on the plus New button. This will allow you to create a new canvas where you can jot down new information, plan projects, or collaborate with colleagues. Alternatively, if you've already got some canvases that you or your team have been working on, you have the option to view and edit those existing canvases. To do this, simply click on the name of the canvas you wish to open, and it will load up for you to continue working or refining details. Once you're inside a canvas, sharing and collaboration are key. Don't forget to click Share, which allows you to add team members. You can include them by their name or incorporate a whole channel if mass collaboration is more your style. This feature really helps to keep everyone in the loop and working together seamlessly. For additional options, take a look at the ellipsis icon, which will broaden your window of features. Clicking here provides various actions such as copying the Canvas link, saving it for later, or even adding it to your starred list for quick reference. And if at any point a canvas outlives its need, you'll find the option to delete it right here as well, among other useful functionalities. That's it. You've now got a good understanding of how to use canvases in Slack, whether starting new ones or managing existing content. This tool is incredibly handy for boosting productivity and collaboration in your Slack workspaces. Play around with these features, and you'll surely find them adding more dynamism to your team's workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Canvas creating!